Hey, what's up? Brent from Brinsby. Thanks for watching Brinsby TV. Today, it's a 25 GT automatic ESS Supercharger. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date, Doug's with me for the dyno. Let's go check it out. All right, before we take a look, just know you can open the description of this video, click on links to all these products, read a lot more about it. And we're in Indiana. You can email quote@brinsby.com. Hey, what's that cost to get installed? Or we can ship it right to your door. Doug, come down here, take a look. So it's the ESS. It's the G3X. We're running the 120 millimeter pulley on this. Cool thing about the ESS is you're rotating the dual throttle bodies with this setup. We did ID 1050 injectors. Did a set of stainless power long tube headers at the same time. This also has a booster pump, a set of Kohler spark plugs. And then check this out, we did do the UPR dual vent to atmosphere canister. That's a clean, slick setup. Again, link in the description, read a lot more about it. Automatic, 93 octane. Check out this dyno pull. All right, DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5. I do want to talk about boost a little bit. Doug, come over here, take a look. 699 raw horsepower, peaking at 7,800 RPM. Torque comes in 481, peaking right around 6,500. And you do see boost did tap 12.2, but that was at 8,000 RPM. So you see we took it up to 8,000, it tapped 12.2, but really at about 7,500. Where you might be shifting a car like this, it's about 10 PSI. So that's the 120 millimeter pulley. G3X, cool supercharger, clean car, another great setup. How many questions? Leave a comment, happy to answer. Have a great day.